Okay.
Yeah. He would rather be, you know, outside with the other ones. Because he goes out first and then, because in order to get him out there, everyone has to walk through. There's no like aisle way kind of stuff.
Yeah. It's not being bad. Did somebody tell him about me?
Must have. Let's start pretending to soak his foot.
What a good boy. Easy, easy, easy.
This Mocha. I lunged him probably 2 years ago, and I don't because he bolts on the lunge line. So Kathy is working him in the larger arena where he normally would bolt.
All right, have him halt. Okay, and walk. So how long can you lunge him before he bolts?
Not so much in here.
No, I know it's not going to be in here, but outside.
Like, you might have like a couple of minutes.
Yeah, and then.
No, not even, like maybe 2 minutes.
And then why does he take off?
And then he just stands, and then he just like totally like.
All right, have him halt.
Halt. Oh.
Have him change direction. You stay in the middle. Yeah. Just walk. Good, good, good. And then if he started to bolt, what would you try to do? Do it now. Like say he just bolted.
Oh, like that.
Okay.
Grab him, but most of the time it's like I generally didn't have the rope halter on.
Yeah.
It's gone.
So whenever you're ready, you're going to pull his face and drive his hip away. Look at the hip, pull face, look at hip, and release. Okay, good. That was better. That was better. Look where you want him to go. Good job. Overhand twirl. That's it. Leave him when he does good. So as we go, we're just going to soften it. Feed him out a little more line on his face. Because when you get ready to do that, to disengage his hindquarters, to shut him down in the case of a bolt, you're going to choke up on the face a little bit just to make that contact, but turn your head to his hip when you do it. So you're going to shorten the line, pull, step toward his hip, spank. Pull, spank till he stops. And really, now back him up. Soft pull and release on the face, heavy on the hindquarters. That's better, but you're looking at his head. So you're looking to the left, because you're going left. Yep. Push him into a trot. Trot up. And let him trot half a lap. Trot on, good boy. And then shut him down. Pull his face, drive his hip. Pull and release. Don't keep going at the hip. So you just did a few extra twirls at the hip that you didn't need to do. Let him know he's a good boy. Just take your energy down. Feed him out some rope so he can get away from you. And drop your energy. Blow your air out. Look where you want to go. That's it. Push him into a nice easy trot. Trot up. Look left. Look left. That's it. Good boy. And shut him down as soft as you can. You got to let go with that left hand. Pull and give back. Pull and give back. Okay, now you should put his head away from yours. We're gonna work.
This Mocha. I lunged him probably 2 years ago, and I don't because he bolts on the lunge line. So Kathy is working him in the larger arena where he normally would bolt.
Enough rope to get there. Now I'm looking at my next obstacle. I didn't ask for that. Just walk. Good. Good. That's the way. I got to get into where I want to go. I didn't ask for speed. I just asked him to walk. Good. I'm going to change direction. Get him over there, and I want him looking at me, head into me, but shoulder off. So head in, head in. So I don't want him crowding me. He's not allowed to move my feet. And when I asked him to get away from me, I pushed till he got away from me. Good boy. That's it. Walk off and move. Good. Walk on. So once I have control of the walk, then I will trot. Mocha and pull. Good. Walk on. Good boy. Mocha and pull. Good boy. Now we're going to trot. We're going to transition right down to a walk from there to there. Trot. Trot up. And walk. I need to push him to get out to there. Good boy. So it helps having the obstacles so he goes, oh, I know where we're going. We're not just running around in circles or they're, flagging me with a whip constantly.
Exactly, yeah.
Boy. Want his head in. Ask him to trot up, and then walk. Good, walk on. That's the way. Change direction. Back. Good boy. Walk on, tap the ground, reach out and touch him. If he doesn't, trot up. Good. I didn't ask for that, not yet. Change his direction. Step toward him. Good boy, trot up. Good. Oh. Good. Perfect. All right. Let's go. Good job. Look, yes. And when you cross this pole, in between this one and the next one, changes direction. So you're going to pull his face, but look at his hip. You switched your hands to premature. Okay, so you're going to pull his head and drive his hip before you switch hands. Alright, whenever you're ready, try it again. Pull his head, look at his hip. You switched your hands again. So you want to pull his head, switch hands now. Back him up, back him up. Don't you back up. There, good. Okay, don't get in his face. So when you pull his head, you got to twirl that rope at his hindquarters, then switch hands. Okay? Look where you want him to go. Where do you want him to go, right or left? Okay, so switch hands, back him off you. Don't back up, back him off you. Look. Now when you change his direction after you cross this pole and get halfway to the next one, pull his head and twirl toward his hip. Good, and release that hand. Back him up. Okay, we got to work on the back up.